The Celtis lettuce is coming in really well. Trying to decide if I should harvest it now as like a lettuce or wait until it's more stockier. This is that cabbage that we had the base of a cabbage from one we bought from the grocery store, and it's coming in great. There's a little head forming on there. 2 pumpkins. This is our watermelon. I think it's a watermelon. And it's got a few on there. This is the biggest one. And it's doing really well. I didn't even think that those would be coming back. And then we have cucumbers that are ready to pick as well. Just a few. Our peas are doing great. We have one over there that I think got stepped on or something. But otherwise we're getting handfuls of peas off every day. And then our pepper plants, these are the ones that the goats didn't get to. They're over by in the raised garden bed. They're doing amazing. And we got little ones there. We got, see all the buds everywhere? We got 2 growing, 3 growing on that one, 4 growing on that one. There's one in there. Little ones, medium-sized ones. That one's even got some. That one has 3. This guy has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on it. There's littler ones up there, more. And then there's all of our peas. So these are all what's left of our container gardens, because everything else got moved to the high tunnel.